Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pilot Stuff. As you can tell, we are coming right back at you. I say that every time. We're coming here, we are going to be unboxing a remarkably special dunk. You all know what this is because you've read the title. SJ, I'd like you to speed up about now. Right, well, we've done that quickly. Just a quick shout out. Thank you to Attitude. We managed to get in on the draw for these special dunks in the allocated 30 minutes that we sent them the email. So if you didn't do that, you really need to read the instructions. But yeah, it was a crazy draw. So thank you to Attitude. Boom. Let's put that aside, SJ. We've got the north sign here, so I'm going to put that down there. I've got some more reading there. But camera 2, we all want to look at the shoe, so we're going to go straight into it. These are everyone. Sorry, I can feel the microphone moving around. They're a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike in the nice rainbow box. They are white University Gold. These are a UK 10.5. That makes them a UK 11.5. They are a women's 13 in the US, if you care. And they are CU 3244100. Yep, so let's do this. I have seen so many videos, so many pictures on Instagram of these. It's got woodcut paper, SJ, that's all we need to know, innit? Let's take these to the middle. We're gonna do the overhead camera for these. Oh wow. Oh wow, so, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Oh wow, 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 these are crazy. Right, here we go, here we go. We have got the Nike SB Dunk Chunky Dunky, the collaboration with Ben & Jerry's. So the first thing I'm gonna say is, yeah, the pictures, everyone, the pictures, I don't know where to start. The pictures just don't do them justice. Wow, that swoosh is really dripping. Right, so let's just take this in here. And there, have a look at that. That is marvelous. There's so much to see. Oh wow, the cow hair, pony hair thing. That's really nice. Okay, right, have another look, have another look. Right, SJ, camera 2, we will come back to you. I've got to go and talk to SJ. First of all, just look. I don't know where to start. You've kind of got the you've got so the big thing, oh, just a little bit of a stitch there. We don't need to worry about that. The big thing is the cow print on this sort of, I'm going to call it pony hide. What is it? Cow hide? What is it, SJ?
Calf hair.
Calf hair. Calf hair. Don't know if it's real. Feels amazing. Feels absolutely amazing. It follows all the way through there. If we just spin that round, SJ, just so you can see all the way, you've got that. That's so nice, so nice. It's also, let's just undo that dead, because these are going straight on foot. It's also there on the tongue as well. You've got the Chunky Dunky wording there. I think you'll also note, everyone, is have a look at the tongue tab there, and we're going to have a look at this again, is the Nike SB. The font they're actually using there, that's the Ben & Jerry's font. And we can see that more clearly on the heel. So we've got that on the heel. SJ, I'm going to flick to camera 2, see if we can get the camera to focus so we can really give that all shake and boom. There we go. That's all you need to do is to shake the shoe and it goes into focus. It's not really... Right, but you can see, right, if we come right in, you can really see that calf hair there. So we're going to come back to SJ. She's flicked the lights again for me. So then we've obviously got, you know, the way the leather is. It's not the best leather in the world. It feels nice, but it's not the best. But really it's the paint job on this. So you've got obviously the blue skies of Vermont, and then you've got the rolling hills here, as we can see there. And that flows through to the back. And it's the positioning and the way that they've drawn the clouds on the back of the heel here is phenomenal. And I actually love the way that they've stitched those clouds in. SJ, do you want me to come in closer? Is that good for you? And then when we come around, we can see, let's get rid of the lace there. Obviously the sky here, a little bit of glue there, not to worry, that'll rub off. It's flowing through. Now we also have, we've got, and you can see this and you've already seen it everyone, you don't need me to call it out, but the swoosh, the ice cream that's melting, and because of the way the swoosh is stitched on and the way obviously the shoe is round, the meltingness, who says meltingness? The meltingness of the swoosh, it really does look like it's dripping off the mid. It's the last thing, I'm trying to do this video quick. It's like it's dripping off the mid panel there. So we're going to come back around. Now I talked about the stitching on the Nike there. If we have a look on the inside tongue, so first of all you've got the Ben & Jerry's logo there, as we can see, and we've got that famous slogan, as we can see there as well. Now the other cool thing is from the hippiness. Obviously, Ben & Jerry's has a bit of that hippiness to it. We can see that tie-dye effect in shoe. And the other thing I will say as well is that the heel grabber, because that's a technical term in dunks, the heel grabber in here is nice and firm. We can see that, and I'm giving you all the looks there. Yeah, all good? Flows all the way through. It's also on the piping, or the material that holds the tongue in there at the top. Now I'm going to do this because I've seen people do this themselves, and I'm just going to pull out the inner sole. Here. I really think these are a great representation of Ben & Jerry's. Oh, let's have a look at this. Just going to move the sticker off there. Stick that back there. Look at that. And I know that pattern flows through onto the other one, onto the other inner sole. It's really good. Hopefully you get a good, nice, clear thing. And it's clearly a zoom heel. But like, let's bring it to you so you can see that thing. Oh, are you gonna focus? I don't think you are. Yes, you are. Boom, choom. Like that, focused. There we go. So I'm gonna put that back in there now. Now, the shoes are similar on both. The left and the right shoe are the same. The difference that we have with them is that the inner sole, the pattern just sort of repeats itself on the other side. We've also got a very clear choice of laces. So we've got the green for the Vermont Hills, we've got the yellow for the ice cream, banana flavor if you're into Chunky Monkey, and then we've got the white that it came laced with. These are traditional SB laces, but I'm not sure, SJ. What do you reckon? Yellow, white, or green? What do you think? Yellow, white, or green? It's a tough one because I really like the idea of the yellow over the green, and I would normally go for a green lace just because earthy colours and me. But I genuinely think, everyone, I'm going to go with the yellow. Do me the honour of focusing. Thank you. Marvellous. So I'm going to go with the yellow and the yellow over the green. And that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to come up to you because actually I think yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Such a nice shoe. Such a nice shoe. And obviously, if you've not watched this video, you got a sneak. If you were with us on the Wednesday Waffle, you might have got a sneak peek of these, because we're going to put this video out on a Thursday, and the Wednesday Waffle's on a Wednesday. So you might have got a sneak peek. And the Wednesday Waffle usually happens, everyone, about 8:30 UK time, which is about 12:30 on the West Coast, about 3:30 on the East Coast. Every Wednesday at the moment, we just come and talk shoes and waffle a bit. So I am going to go with the overhead camera, and I'm going to do the traditional spin. Look at that. It's lovely. Look at the green the green sole. It works. Look at the green sole. It works really well. I love this lime vault green here. It really pops nicely. And then we flip back round. It's so good. And obviously these are a bit off-putting. So let's have a look at this one. It's really good. It's so good, SJ. And if you haven't subbed, everyone, and you've managed to get this on a video, don't forget to sub. It's somewhere down here. Leave us a comment. Were you one of the few lucky ones to actually get a W on these? And we were very lucky with these. Very, very lucky. The number of draws we entered It was obscene. But I know that skate shops, they had a job to do to keep it in check. There's a lot of bots out for these. All right, let's have a look at the clouds there on camera one. Oh yes, they're so good. They've done them so well. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, everyone, Pint of Stuff, because we will be putting these on. We will definitely be putting these on foot. Oh, now, I said that the toe box leather was a bit, meh, but actually, it don't feel too bad. It's not the best, but it's not the worst by any means. By any means. Oh, such a nice shoe. SJ, you liking these? Yes, SJ's liking these. I think we're onto a bit of a winner with these bad boys. Now, are these a you shoe or a me shoe?
Oh, so you.
They're so me. They're so me. Right, everyone, if you haven't done the stuff, don't forget to do all the stuff. Don't forget to join us on Sunday nights for Sneaker Streaming Sundays. Don't forget to listen to the podcast, Sneakers and Stories. Goes up every Saturday, Sunday time, usually in the afternoon for the UK folks. So that'd be the sort of lunchtime for people on the West Coast. We generally talk to people out there like you to learn about their sneaker stories. So everyone, I think I'm out of here. Have one more marvelous look. Oh, so good everyone, so good. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. SJ. Good shoe?
Nice shoe.
Lovely shoe. Oh, so nice, so nice. Right, we're going.